How to make YouTube videos using PowerDirector. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and create a new project. Here on the left top, tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. So basically we're in this editing platform. So this is the place where you can set the aspect ratio. Here on the bottom there are different tools available. Simply swipe right. Here there's a tool named aspect ratio. Simply tap on it, and here on the bottom you can find this YouTube aspect. Simply tap on YouTube aspect and it's done. So the aspect has been changed. Now you can easily create and edit a video and later post it on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.